The analysis of first principles molecular dynamics simulations allows us to accurately predict the physical and chemical properties of fluids. This method can be applied to any atomic analysis in physics and chemistry.
To begin, extract each specific set of physical properties using one or more dedicated Python scripts from the package. Run all the scripts at the command line. They all employ a series of flags, which are as consistent as possible from one script to another. Transform the output of the MD simulation performed in a first principles code into a UMD file. Then transfer the .umd files into .xyz files to facilitate visualization on various other packages like VMD or Vesta. Reverse the UMD file into VASP-type POSCAR files using the UMD to POSCAR.py script, selecting snapshots of the simulations with a predefined frequency. Run the gophers_umd.py script to compute the pair distribution function for all the pairs of atomic types A and B. The output is written in one ASCII file, tab-separated, with the extension gophers.dat. Extract the average interatomic bond distances as the radii of the first coordination spheres. For this, identify the position of the first maximum of the pair distribution functions by plotting the gophers.dat file in a spreadsheet application and searching for the maxima and minima for each pair of atoms. Then, identify the radius of the first coordination sphere